Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to edit a picture in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to edit a picture in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Picture option. Then click the picture and insert it. Now we can see we insert a picture. Then click the picture and go to the picture format menu. Now we want to edit this picture, use this format menu. Firstly, click the picture and click wrap text option. Choose none to move this picture anywhere. Resize the picture and move anywhere. Then click the picture. Then you can use the style. Click the style drop down menu and choose any style. Now I select the perspective shadow white style. Otherwise you can apply another style. Go to the picture effect option and choose any style. Now I select the softies option and choose any softies. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.